welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be checking out November's Boxycharm box, and we're going to be doing a tutorial and testing out the products within the box. I feel like that just gives you guys a better idea of like how to actually use the products that come in the box if you're already subscribed to Boxycharm. I personally like those kind of videos better where people actually like use the products in the box rather than just showing them. So that is what we're going to be doing today. A lot of you guys have really requested these videos, and I know I just recently did the October one because I did it at the very end of the month, but I wanted to get the November one up as soon as possible because I feel like it's more beneficial when you guys see the tutorial like right around the time when you're getting the box in the beginning of the month. So I wanted to get it up as early as possible for you guys. Also, side note, I know my hair looks like crap right now. I have been trying to not use heat on it at all this week because this week is the week of my wedding. Holy crap. So I've been trying to not use heat on it, so let's just not look at it, okay? That's why it kind of looks a little scraggly. But anyways, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 per month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. I am newer to Boxycharm. This is now my third box, I think, either third or fourth box. So far, I've been really impressed with their boxes, so we shall see. I will put a link to Boxycharm right down below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking it out if you have not already. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And also, if you guys want to follow along with stuff going on with my wedding, make sure to follow me on Instagram. That is at Strack Official. I'll put it on the screen around here so you guys can see, but I will definitely be posting stuff on there the day of the wedding and the days leading up to the wedding. I just picked up my dress yesterday, so I posted that. Not the dress, but me picking it up. But yeah, check out my Instagram if you guys are interested in that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so this is what the box looks like. Let's dig in. Also, another thing I forgot to say about Boxycharm is that the shipping is free too. So it's $21. You don't have to pay additional for shipping, which is nice. Oh my goodness, I see lashes right on top. Love lashes. Okay, so these are from the brand Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Ooh, love these. I love when lashes have like varying lengths. I feel like it looks more natural, like your natural lashes would. So I actually love false lashes like this. Ow, my hair is getting caught in my earring. Excuse me. Excuse me. These are super beautiful. Also love the packaging. It's like gold glitter, but it's like not getting off of my hands. This is very nice packaging. But yeah, these are beautiful. So we're definitely gonna use these today. I don't know if these are in a specific style. Oh my God, stop. The style is Instaglam. I die. That is so cute. So let's see what the retail value of these are. The MSRP for this is $24.99. So we are already above the $21 for the box with just the lashes. Up next, I see we have Luxie brushes. I actually really like Luxie's brushes. I know JD Wadey did a collab with them and I really liked those brushes, so let's open these up. It looks like there's 4 in here. They look like little detail brushes, which is great to have for things like contouring your nose or just like little highlights of your eyes. Ooh, these are pretty. They have like gold glitter on these too. Oh my God, wait, I'm so stupid. Okay, so at the top of this, it says Gold Digger. So I guess that's like a theme for this month's box. But these are really nice. Like I said, I really like Luxie's brushes. I'm familiar with their quality and I know that they're really good and they're all very precise, small, little detailed brushes. I think these would be great for the eyes or like I said, to contour the nose. These guys, the MSRP on these guys are $21. So we will definitely be using these today when we do our eyeshadow. Up next, we have the Jaunty Blue. I'm probably butchering that. Glittering Star eyeliner. All right, let's check this out. Let's see. Let's break her open. Ooh, so it's like a black liner that has glitter in it. I'll do a little swatchy on my hand. Oh wow, that's actually really pretty. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but it's definitely like a black like kohl liner, but it does have silver glitter in it. It is not gold. I feel like this makes it look like it would be gold glitter, but it's silver. But definitely gonna use this later on today. I prefer like retractable liners than these kinds that you have to sharpen, but I mean, we'll use it. I forgot to tell you guys the MSRP, that is $5. Then we have the Ace Beaut& Grandiose palette. I actually have heard of Ace Beaut. I got their lashes once, and they're actually one of my favorites. I can't think of the style name off the top of my head, but they're beautiful, and I've used them in my videos before, their lashes, but I am not familiar with their palettes. So let's see, I don't know if this is face or eyes. Oh my God, wait, what? This is beautiful. Okay, I am so excited. We are totally gonna be using this today. Oh my God, this is like actually stunning. So this is an eye palette. You get 8 different shades in it. We have a mix of mattes and shimmers, and they're huge pan sizes too. Wow, this is beautiful. Like these are my kind of colors. This is my kind of palette. Your girl's excited. Okay, what is the MSRP on this? The MSRP on this guy is $24.99. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Wow. Okay, very happy with this. Very happy. Might I say so far, this is the best Boxycharm box I have gotten so far. This is like really good stuff. Okay, and then the last product that we have in here is, oh my god, wait, these are amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. These are the Cover FX glitter drops. I don't know what shade I got. I got shade Nova. These are so pigmented, so beautiful. Oh my god, this is the best shade. I am so excited. It's a beautiful gold. I had one of these back in the day, but it was like a silvery shade, but I still use it all the time. But I am so excited to have gold. We're gonna use this on the cheeks today. And this is an expensive product. Like, what is the retail value on this? Yeah, the retail value on this is $44. That's more than double the price of the box. Like, literally, if you go to Sephora, this is $44. So that is crazy. I am so excited. This was like definitely the best Boxycharm I have got so far. Let me know what you guys think down below, but like, I'm hella impressed. I'm very excited to test these products. So let's get into the tutorial. Actually, you know what? I am gonna add up the value of all this stuff because I like to just, you know, see how much it all cost. So the total value of this box is $108.99, but it's only $21. So worth it in my opinion, but let's test the products out. Alrighty, so we are gonna get started with the eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use these brushes, but like I said, these are really great detail brushes, so I'm gonna have to go in. I don't think this brush is gonna be big enough for me to use in my crease. I'm gonna go in with like a fluffier crease brush at first, but we will use these to do details. So I am first gonna go in with Patchouli. This is like a really great neutral blending shade, and I'm going to pop this into the crease just quickly. This is like pretty much the same color as my skin, so it's not gonna do too much. It's just gonna help the other colors blend real quick. Ooh, this brush that I'm using is actually pretty hard. I should probably grab another one. I haven't used this one like ever, I don't think. Okay. No, thank you, sir. Okay, here is a more fluffier blending brush. Also, you guys, so random and off topic, but literally like right as I was filming this, I saw like a statement that Jake Paul put out that said that him and Erica Castell broke up. And I'm honestly, like, I'm low-key so sad. I was like, no, like the Shane Dawson series, like I honestly don't know that much about them. So I probably shouldn't even be like commenting on it because I don't really watch their videos or anything, but I watched the Shane Dawson series on them and I like really liked them in that series. And then I saw that and I was like, oh my God, like that's really sad. Like I don't know like any really backstory, and I'm sure there's like valid reasons behind it and stuff. But yeah, that made me sad because the Shane Dawson series like made them seem like a really good couple. But anyways, it's okay. So now I'm gonna go in with Cinnamon, which is this matte right here. Oh my God, I literally like this palette is like everything and more. I love the colors. And we are gonna blend her into our crease like so. This is like my favorite kind of crease color. And so fall and like warm. Reminds me of like Thanksgiving colors. I already have been like prepping for Thanksgiving because Steven and I, like right after our wedding this weekend, we go on our honeymoon and then we come back, it's like already Thanksgiving. Like we literally come back like a day or 2 days before Thanksgiving. We come back on Tuesday, Thanksgiving's on Thursday. So like, okay, this is blending out really nice, very, very pigmented. I just need to blend it like in here. But so far, I am liking the Ace Beaut&eacute eyeshadows. Like knew I liked their lashes. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Poppy, which is like this deep maroon color. I'm going with a smaller brush. Actually, I'll use one of the detail brushes for this. I'll use this one right here. And I'm gonna pop this in the outer corner. Like so. The only thing I wish about this palette is that there was a mirror, because I'm like using a mirror that's kind of far away. But we're working with it, no worries. But I do love when palettes come with mirrors. Gonna work this in the outer corner. Wow, these shades are so pigmented. Like I really didn't even put my brush in there that much at all. And it's already like completely taking over the other color. Nice little cranberry eye. Do the same thing on the other side. And then I think I'm gonna use this and a mixture of cinnamon on the lower lash line, but we'll see when we get there. I could always change my mind. Let me know down below if you guys are subscribed to Boxycharm, like what did you get in your box this month? Have you gotten it? Would love to hear. Or if there's like other subscription services that you guys like, I'd love to hear. But so far, honestly, I've been very impressed because in the past I tried a lot of subscription services and I was always a little let down. Like I was just kind of like, this is not stuff that I'm ever gonna use. But I feel like with Boxycharm, I do get stuff that I will use, like for sure. Like I will definitely use this palette again. And these brushes, like, and definitely the Cover FX, like I'm definitely gonna use all this stuff again. so it's worth it. But then sometimes I felt like in the past with some subscription services, like I was just getting stuff that like I would have never even purchased on my own. So I'm like, what do I need this for? Even though you're technically getting a deal on it because like you're spending less than what the products are valued at, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller little guy, and like I said, I'm gonna mix cinnamon and poppy together and place that on the lower lash line. Sometimes I get scared when I use like really raspberry, like pinky shades on my eyes, because one time I did it and I thought my eyes looked so pretty, and my grandma is very opinionated. There's no other way to say it. And I like walked into my parents' house and she was there and she was like, do you have pink eye? And I was like, no. She was like, that eyeshadow makes it look like you have pink eye. I was like, oh, okay. Hi, Grandma, nice to see you. So I always remember that, but I feel like this looks actually like really pretty. I like it so far. All right. Now all over the lid, I'm debating with primrose or jasmine. I think I'm gonna do primrose and then we'll do jasmine like in the inner corner. So let's do that. I'm gonna go in with primrose first and apply. Ooh, she cute though. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, love this. Very foiled. I thought it was just gonna be like shimmery, but it has a very foiled finish to it, which I really like. That's pretty. All right, loving this shade. I'm gonna bring a little bit on one of these little brushes of that primrose down beneath on my lower lash line, like towards the center here, just so we have that color in there, and kind of do like a gradient eye look. And then I'm gonna go in with jasmine, like I said, and do my highlight with that. I'm just gonna pop in my inner corner. Ooh, it's a very pretty highlight actually. Very, very pretty. And I'm gonna do beneath my brow bone as well with her. All right, loving this eye look, super, super cute. Let's use the liner now. So like I said, this is a glittering liner. I feel like it may clash a little bit because the glitter is silver, but we'll make it work, okay? So I'm gonna do a thin line on my lid. Normally I would use liquid liner on my lid. We're gonna use this today, and I just wanna do a very thin line so that when we put the lashes on, we don't like see the gap. And the glitter really doesn't clash either, which is good. It's more subtle. All right, so we have our liner all done. Now let's go in with these lashes though. Okay, all right, let's pop these bad boys on. They have a thin band, which I like. Makes them easier to apply. I actually like really like these. Like they're more subtle than what I normally wear, but they're really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply mascara so we can blend my natural lashes in with the falsies, and we will be back to try the Cover FX drops. That's like a tongue twister. Why can't I say that? Cover FX drops. All right, so we got all of our lashes blended in. Now we're gonna go in with the Cover FX drops. So I'm gonna shake them up and we're gonna go ahead and apply. I normally like to use these with a like beauty sponge like this. So I just have the Huda Beauty sponge right here. I've actually never used this, so hopefully it works. But what I normally like to do is actually just apply the product to the sponge and then use the sponge to apply it to my face. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit on the tip, like so, and then blend it out with this. I feel like that gives a more seamless look. And I'm just gonna dot it and blend on the cheeks. Oh my God, this is so glittery. Wow, how pretty. It just really needs to be blended. Oh my Lord. I feel like I almost used like too much, and I didn't even use that much. Like a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. So I'm just gonna blendy blend. But like that is blinding, okay? And you can put this stuff all over your body. Like you don't have to just use it on your face. You could use it literally wherever you want. But like, I die. So pretty. If it wasn't wearing like a turtleneck, I would put some on like my décolleté to show you guys, but that's not gonna work with my turtleneck that I have on. Then real quick, I'm just going to finish off the look with this Ofra Lippy. This didn't come in the Boxycharm. This is just the Ofra liquid lipstick in Sao Paulo. I love their liquid lipsticks. And I think you sometimes may be able to get Ofra stuff in Boxycharm. I can't remember. Maybe not, although I feel like I did. Alrighty guys, so that was everything in this month's Boxycharm. Like I said, this was definitely probably my most favorite box to date. Definitely let me know down below what you guys think, but I was very impressed with this month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!